Hi everyone, this is Osama, and today I'll be sharing with you how to turn your tweet or a thread into a carousel post for your LinkedIn or Instagram. So make sure you copy the tweet URL or a Twitter thread URL. So I will copy this URL and I will open content riffs. I will pick any carousel template. So make sure every slide have a text box on it. So you will go on content button and you will see this option Twitter threads. You will paste the URL, you will click on make carousel and it will do the magic. So like it brought all the text from that Twitter thread into each slide, created a text box for it, and it looks perfectly fine. Now if there are some adjustments, you can like make small edits if you want to. You can change the colors, you can do all sort of stuff, but this looks just perfect for me. So now I will download. I will click on this download. I can download the PDF for LinkedIn and PNGs for Instagram. So this is how you turn your Twitter thread into a carousel post. Let me know if you got any feedback, and I will see you next time. Bye.